Hi, boys and girls. It's time for Sounds with Mr. Slates. We're going to start with our alphabet, and I know what you're already thinking. Mr. Slates, I know my alphabet. I know my alphabet song, and I know that you do. But we're going to sing the alphabet song, but instead of singing the names of the letters, we're going to sing the sounds, because the sounds are really important for reading and writing and for spelling words too. So watch me first and listen. Keep your eyes on the screen and then do it with me the second time. Are you ready? Here we go. A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, A, P, Q, R, S, T, A, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Sound familiar? It's a familiar tune, isn't it? Notice, with my letters, I never said things like B and D and F and K, because we don't put that sound after our letters, except, of course, with my letter U. So, you ready to join me? Here we go. Do it with me. A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, A, P, Q, R, S, T, A, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? All right, we'll try that again another time, and we'll try it faster. But let's move on to a new sound activity. Now I'm going to give you a word that has two parts. I want you to echo my word, and then we're going to take the last part of the word off, and you say what's left. Let me show you how. Look in front of you. Ready? Say daytime. Without time, the word that's left is day. All right, let's try another one. Ready? Good job. Say eyeball. Without ball, the word is eye. Say football. Without ball, the word is foot. Say bedtime. Without time, the word is bed. Say flashlight. Without light, the word is flash. Say doorbell. Without bell, the word is door. Say keyboard. Without board, the word is key. Say bookmark. Without mark, the word is a spinny book. Say racetrack. Without track, the word is race. Nice. Last one. Say earthquake. Without quake, the word is earth. Good job. Until next time, goodbye and have a good day.